Need to fix side button or power button not working on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to try doing is take off your cover on your device and then clean the side button and also the power button that you have been using. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is try restarting your device. Tap and hold this AssistiveTouch and then click on restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of the device. Inside settings, move into general, scroll all the way down and then click on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset iPhone and then click on reset all settings. Enter the passcode of your device and then once again tap on reset all settings. Once done, go back and then head over to software update at the very top. If there's any update left, then you need to update it to the latest version. Sometimes updating your software to the latest version has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.